Unlocking the Secrets of Morning Freshness in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and evocative phrase in the English language, morning freshness. This phrase isn't just about the start of a day. It's a treasure trove of meaning and cultural significance. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Morning freshness is a phrase that instantly conjures images of the early hours of a day. It's not just about time, though. It encompasses feelings of renewal, vitality, and a sense of a fresh start. This phrase is often used to describe the invigorating and pure quality of the air in the morning, the peaceful ambiance, and the sense of new possibilities that a new day brings. In many cultures, morning is seen as a symbol of new beginnings and hope. The phrase, morning freshness, taps into this symbolism. It's used in various contexts, from advertising, to promote products like air fresheners or morning beverages, to literature and poetry, where it evokes the beauty and tranquility of dawn. You might hear morning freshness in everyday conversations or in marketing. It can describe the feeling after a good night's sleep, the appeal of a morning routine, or the allure of a fresh cup of coffee. It's a versatile phrase that enriches language with its vivid imagery. Morning freshness is more than just a phrase. It's an expression that captures the essence of a new day. We hope this exploration has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you a new appreciation for the beauty of English. Keep learning, keep exploring, and remember, every day is a chance to experience your own morning freshness.